Welcome student in my maths step-by-step classes. In today's class we will do square and square root part 6, and in today's class we will do square roots of a number by division method. So how we will find square root of a number by division method? So this method is used for large numbers. When numbers are very large, so we will use this method. So for this method, look here properly. Question is find square root of the following numbers by division method. You can see, yes, numbers are 2304. This is 53,824, and this is 213444 and 120409. You can read like this also, right? So here, what is the method of this? When we write 2304 and we have to find the square root of this. So first we will write this number and we will pair from right hand side. That's why I have written bar here, bar for 2 and 2. You have to follow the same method. You have to make pair from right hand side, and then you will think in your mind for first pair that whether it is perfect square or not. If it is not a perfect square, so you will think of the lesser perfect square for this. Like here 4 4 ja 16 and 5 5 ja 25. So 25 is greater. So like division, we will go for the lesser number. So here also 4 4 ja 16. So we will write 4 4 ja 16. Right, then we will subtract 23 minus 16, that is 7, and here we will add these two, 4 plus 4, we will write here 8. This is very important. 4 plus 4, we will write 8, and after this we will think of that number. We will take down the 04. So number for thinking now is 704, right? So here we have to just think of that number from which we will multiply this 8, and then again this 8 will multiply it by this. So we will write 88 into 8. Think of that 88 into 8. So 8 8 ja 64, 6 carry. 8 8 ja 64, 64 plus 6, 70. So number is coming. So we will write 704. So here we will just write 48. This number which is quotient here, this is the square root we are getting. So 48 is the square root of this number, right? But here you have to keep that in mind in some steps. First pairing, then think for the perfect square, then perfect square. After this you will add the same number and write it here. Like 4 is there, so 4 plus 4 is 8. Then you will think 8 8 ja 64. 4 is coming at the last. That means if we multiply this by 8, and 8 we will write here, and we will multiply this number by 8. Right? We can do this in rough work also. So 8 we will multiply the same. We will write the same number and we will multiply the number by the same number. So 8 8 ja 64 and 8 6 ja 48. 48 plus 8 8 ja 64 and 8 8 ja 64 and 70. So here, right? So this is very, if you will just follow the steps, you will get easily answer. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. We will go for next question. See, next question is this 53824. So we will write like this. We will make a line, and here also then we will make pair from right hand side. This one 2 4 3 8 and 5. So we will think for 5. Whether 5 is a perfect square number? No. So we will go for 2 2 ja 4, because 3 3 ja 9, 9 is greater. So we will go for 2 2 ja 4, and after subtraction we will write 1 here and take down this 3 8, and here 2 plus 3 we will write 4. Okay. Now after writing 4, we will think of number which is nearest to it. So we will think 3, and 3 3 ja 9 and 3 4 ja 12, right? If we will write 4, so 4 4 ja 16, right? And 4 4 just 16 17, so 1 7 something will come, so it is greater, so we will go for lesser one, so we will multiply it by 3, so 3 3 ja 9 and 3 4 ja 12, so we will write 129. Understood? After we will subtract this number, so this will come after subtraction 9 and 2 4 in pair, we will just take down, we will take down the number in pair, right? So here 9 24, so here 4 and this number we have to add 3 plus 3 6, so we will write here 6. Then 460, we will think of 2 2 ja 4, 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8 and 1 9, so 924 is coming. So that means whatever number we will write here, we will multiply the number with same number and then we will check, right? So 462 into 2 will 2 2 ja 4, this one. So answer for us is 232, and in question we will write 2, then after 3 and then after 2. So we will write here, so answer is 232 is the square root of the given number, right? We can check our solution also. If we will multiply this 2 times, we will get the same answer. Okay, for starting, if you want to understand properly and check. But in exam, just when you will practice more and more question, you easily came to know how you will check. Next question is 2 1 3 4 4 4. So 2 1 3 4 4 4. We will just make pairs from the right hand side. This one and this one. So first is 21. So we will go for the nearest perfect square. So nearest perfect square is 5 5 ja 25 is greater. So we will go for 4 4 ja 16. So it is lesser. So 4 4 ja 16. Then minus 5 is there. 34 we will take down. And 4 plus 4 we will write 8. Then we will think in our mind that if we will do 6. So we will multiply it by 6. So 6 6 are 36, right? 3 carry and 6 8 ja 48. 48 plus 3 51. If we will go for 7, so 7 8 ja 56, it will be 7 7 ja 49, it will be greater. So we will go for the lesser number. So we will write 516. Same division method. Then we will subtract it. It will become 1 8 and 4 4 pair will come this. Then after this 6, the same number we will just add 6 plus 6. So it will go 2 and 1 carry, so 92. Then we will think of the number from which we will multiply the same number, so that we will get this one. So if we will multiply this 2 and put it here 2. So 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 9 ja 18. So this number is coming. So we will go for 2 and we will write here also 2. Okay, here whatever number we are multiplying, we will first write it here, then here method. So you will get the answer 462 is the square root of the given number. That is, next number is C. 120409 is the number. So again we will just write like this, write the number neatly and make pair from right hand side. So this 3 pairs are there. So we will go for 12 is there. So 12 is not a perfect square. So we will go for the lower one. 3 3 ja 9. So if we will write 4 4 ja 16, it will greater. So we will not go for it. We will go for 3 3 ja 9. Right? 3 3 ja 9. Then minus this one, take down 0 4. Now here 3 plus 3 we will write first 6. Then we will go for 4. 4 4 ja 16. 4 6 ja 24 and 25. So if we will go for 5, so 5 4 ja 20, 5 6 ja 30, 32 will come. So we will not go for it. We will go for the 4. So 4 4 ja 16, 256. Subtract and take down this 0 9. Here we will add 4 plus 4. It will become 68. Then 7. 9 is clear that 7 7 ja 49. If you are in practice of square roots. So 7 7 ja 49, 7 8 ja 56, 56 and 4, that is 56 and 4 66 carry, and here 7 6 ja 42, 42 plus 6, 48. So the number is coming 4809. So we will just write 7 here and subtract. So answer is 347. So 347 is the square root of the given number. So this is the way you have to do square root by division method. I hope all is clear to you. Go through more questions from your book and do practice. Okay, these are very important. So have a very good day. See you in next class.